chop thick slices, chop thin slices, chop cubes, chop sticks, and wedge whole fruits and vegetables in just 1 second. Incredible compact handheld kitchen slicer that quick cuts all your vegetables up to 10 times faster with just one simple snap. Now, for the first time, the engineers at Genius have combined 5 different interchangeable slicing options into one compact handheld super slicer that's 10 times faster than your old knife. Slice it and cook it right in the pan, right on your stove. Chop and slice right into the pot for a family-sized stew with no mess. Snap and slice a fruit salad for the kids right into the bowl in seconds. Slice up a healthy salad for a quick and easy meal on the go. Nothing in your kitchen slices up onions so fast there's no time for tears. You can slice 30 cubes in just a snap, or 10 slices in just 1 second. Lid to pre-cut foods right into the container that simply snaps onto the handheld unit so you can snap and store or snap and take away. When you're done, simply give it a rinse or rack it in the dishwasher. The quick lock function lets you store it in a drawer, safe, compact, and secure.